Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete inbox in Gmail at once. You can delete Gmail's email at once. You can select all emails from Gmail and delete it. You can delete unread message. You can delete unwanted message in Gmail. So how you can delete it, I will show you. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe me. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So please subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video. So I'm showing you my desktop, but you can follow the same step if you're using laptop or uh, Android or iPhone. Okay, so here you can see there is a three in inbox. If you click on this inbox, there's a three option. You can see primary, social, and promotion. So first I will show you what is a promotion mail and what is a social mail in Gmail, and what is a primary mail in Gmail. So first, what primary mail? Primary mail is that important mail that sent by humans or sent by your peoples to you. Okay, social message is a like your social network message like LinkedIn, Facebook, okay, and Twitter, anything. So it is sent by the not humans, it is sent by the social platform. Okay, promotion means also it is sent by the software or any auto software or any AI software, that promotion like bulk message software or any other business promotion like anything. Okay, so in inbox you will see that these three subcategory in your inbox. So how you can empty this subcategory? First, social and promotion, if you don't need it, you can delete. Like, just select mail from here, and you can select all. If you have huge data like above 50 conversion, you can select from this. So you can see all 73, all conversion will be select. If you delete it, it will be delete from here, promotion. Okay, so if you click on this down arrow, you can see there is a filter. Like, you can you know select only read message. Okay, this is read message, you only see you, then you have to select. If you want to filter only unread message you will see. Okay, this is your okay, unread message you can select. If you see read message, you can select only read message. Okay, if you want to select star it, you can select only, there is no any started message, so it is not selected. Okay, just select from here and just select all, and you can delete it. And after delete it, you have to come in trash, and here from here also you have to select all and delete it. Because when you select and delete from inbox, then it will become here in trash, and the mail emails will be here for 30 days, and after 30 days it will be automatically deleted. But if you want to delete now, you can select from here and delete it. So after that, if you delete from here permanently, then your email will be permanently deleted from inbox. Okay, so that is how you can select all, delete mails from here and delete from here. After delete, you have to go in trash and delete again. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.